Every year, North Texas Municipal Water District does a routine maintenance on our water system, but don't worry, nothing major really changes. Our water goes through a very rigorous cleaning process, and during that process, a disinfectant called chloramine, a combination of ammonia and chlorine, is added to ensure that all the bacteria and other microorganisms are eliminated before the water gets to you. During the annual water system maintenance, there's one small adjustment made to the normal process. North Texas Municipal Water District temporarily stops adding the ammonia and only adds the chlorine. That's it. The chlorine is the same amount, there's nothing else added to the water, and it's completely safe to drink. Clean drinking water is essential for keeping everyone healthy. The use of those disinfectants is critical to our water treatment process. It keeps our water clean and safe by eliminating those harmful microbacteria and other pathogens like viruses. During the maintenance period, some people may notice a small change in their water. They may notice a little more chlorine smell or taste, and other people won't notice any difference at all. This happens because with the ammonia being removed from the process, it just makes that chlorine a little more prominent. Both the City of Plano and North Texas Municipal Water District are dedicated to providing safe, high-quality drinking water because keeping you and our community healthy is our top priority.